Hello, my name's Ian. I've been learning Italian with Carl for the last 2 years. I plan on retiring in 5 years' time and we're going to move to Italy. We're in the process of buying a property in Puglia and I'm going to need to speak the language because we're going into away from the beaten track. At the moment, for the last 2 years, I've got better with my understanding of what's been said to me. I find that easier, and written, I'm finding that easier. And the last of all is my confidence now. I'm beginning to be able to speak. We don't use any books. He uses multiple different teaching methods to help me understand. He gives me plenty of homework. Can't always say I'm very good at doing all the homework every week, but he doesn't shout at me. But he don't give me too much homework, which is good. I do 2 hours a week. Most of my friends thought I would have given up by now, but Carl makes every lesson enjoyable, so I'm thoroughly enjoying the process of learning Italian.